Hey y'all, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do something that's kind of been requested, kind of been hinted at, kind of been I wanted to do. I made a breakfast scramble video, I don't know, a couple years back, maybe a year and a half. I don't remember how long it was. You know, all kind of just stuff, you know, you like for breakfast, in a big old scramble, you put it in a bowl and just eat it. A lot of comments. Where's the tortilla? This would be good in a burrito, you know, just on and on and on. So today, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a Southern style breakfast burrito. It may not have all the ingredients that you would put in yours, but I'm just going to show you what I'm going to put in mine, and I think it's going to turn out pretty good. So I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and fire up this griddle, and let's get to show you some groceries, and we got to get to cooking. Let's get the old girl fired up. I think I'm going to go all 4 burners today, but we're going to take them down to low, all the way across. And if we adjust, hey, I'll let you know. All right, now that griddle's warming up, let's look at these ingredients, these groceries. Of course, to make a burrito, you gotta have tortillas. I have 3 tortillas right here. I figured I want some bell peppers and onions in mine. Of course, you see I got the green, the yellow, the red, and some onion right here. Got about 1 pound of bacon I've already cut up here. We're gonna fry that up. We're gonna season everything with some lumberjack seasoning. I got some shredded Colby Jack cheese here. I got about 7 or 8 eggs I've mixed up right here. Now, we're gonna make some homemade sausage gravy. Can't be a Southern breakfast unless you have homemade sausage gravy. So I have about 1 pound of sausage right here, bulk sausage. Got some flour, got some milk, got a skillet right here. I forgot the salt and pepper in the house, but I will be using that too. So that's, you don't forget that. Ah, there's our wire smoke. That means only one thing. It's time to get some groceries on this griddle. Let's throw down some bacon. Get our bacon to going. I ain't done like some bacon on the Blackstone now. Now that bacon's going, let's get that sausage gravy to go. Let's go ahead and put our skillet over here on the side, the corner, if you will, and get that sausage frying up in it. Get it right there. Won't be long, get that sausage down in there. And it won't be long, it's gonna start frying up. We're gonna make us some good old sausage gravy. Now what I'm gonna do when this bacon gets close to being done, I'm gonna throw them peppers and them onions in that bacon grease and kind of fry them up too. Oh yeah, we got that bacon on the Blackstone going, looking so good and smelling even better. This sausage fixing to start frying up in this skillet over here. Man, we fitting to have us a good old Southern breakfast. Come in here and flip your bacon around every now and then. You don't want to burn the bacon, I'm just saying. Check on this sausage in this pan. Oh yeah, starting to heat up. Won't be long, it's gonna start frying up. All right, under that skillet, I turned the heat up to about a medium to kind of get that sausage to fry. It's starting to come up pretty good now, as you can see. Starting to fry up just a little bit, getting that grease in there. So when you make that good old gravy. And I think this bacon's about done, close to being done. I don't want it all the way done, so I'm gonna slide it over, leave that grease right there. We're gonna fry up these peppers and onions. Let's just kind of slide all our bacon over here against the edge, like so. Gotta have your veggies. Get on them on there. Give them a good mix. Oh yeah. Now you know these gonna be good, cooked in that bacon grease. Oh yeah, buddy. Get them mixed in there good, spread them out, and let them cook. Man, look how good that bacon's looking right there. And you know these are gonna be good cooking up in that bacon grease. And look at here, it won't be long, that sausage is gonna be ready for that gravy. Oh yeah, it's coming together. I think I'm gonna hit these peppers and onions just a little bit of lumberjack seasoning. Throw some of that in there with it. Give it a good mix. Oh, now that is smelling good. So now while them peppers and onions are finishing up, let's go ahead and add our flour and some milk to this sausage over here and start making our gravy. So I'm gonna add 2 good old tablespoons there of flour and just a little bit of milk to begin with here, and kind of just mix it up and see where it puts us. When I make gravy, I don't really measure a whole lot. I just add as I need. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I need more. So I'm gonna add some more flour, and I'm gonna add some more milk. Right there. Need more milk. And more milk. Oh yeah, she's gonna come together now. Little more milk ain't gonna hurt. Get all that stirred together. It ain't rocket science. Sausage with the grease, some flour, however much you think you need, just add a little bit. You can always add more. And just keep on adding some milk till it kind of gets a little soupy, and it'll cook on down, thicken on up. But remember that salt and pepper I forgot? Let's add some of that into it now. Add a little bit of salt here. And crack the pepper. Gotta have that cracked pepper in here. That's what's really gonna make it good. I like a lot of cracked pepper in mine, as you can tell. Yeah, there we go. Let's stir that up now and see what we got. There we go. Now we talking. So what I'm gonna do now, get all stirred together good, we're just gonna kind of let it cook on down just a little bit. I think I'm gonna add some more milk into it because I want to start off soupy and cook down like this. Yeah, there we go. Like that. So, that's simple to make homemade sausage gravy. I tell you what, these peppers and onions are looking pretty close to being done. Let's check on them. Oh yeah, they're ready. Look at that. Got a good char on them. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move them back here in this corner. Like so. Man, them peppers and onions looking mighty good back here. And y'all check out this bacon right here. And y'all look at this sausage gravy. You know, just looking at it right now though, I do think it needs some more pepper. So let's add some more to that. Crack some more in there. I like to see my pepper in my gravy now. And ain't nothing like some fresh cracked pepper. Let's go with that. And just stir that up. You see it's thickening up real quick. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and kill the heat under that burner, or under that skillet right there, kill the heat over there. The residual heat will kind of help keep it warm. But right now, we need to cook these eggs. All right, one thing I have learned over the years, and I really learned it from Blackstone Betty, is you don't want to cook eggs hot or fast or anything. You want to cook slow and low and just easy. So what I'm gonna do is, now I did turn off the heat over here by the gravy. So now I'm gonna turn off these other two burners right here in the middle, leaving the only one going. If I need to fire them back up, I will, but I want these eggs to cook slow. So let's turn these two off. So now, let's pour eggs on. Another thing is, pour slow. Don't want it going too fast. Now there is some bacon grease still left right here, and that's okay, that's okay. Because if you ain't cooking the grease, are you really cooking anything Southern? I mean, come on. But you see there how kind of slow it's going here? That's what you're looking for. There we go. Add a little lumberjack to your eggs. You can just slowly mix them up. Like that there. Now, I probably needed more eggs, honestly, for the amount of peppers and everything I have, but that's okay. We're gonna work this through. We're gonna make it. Let's start our gravy up. Oh, look at there. See what I mean, how it's cooking on down? Yeah. Honestly, I think I'll add the rest of that milk into it. Because to be honest with you, I don't like my sausage gravy, a lot of gravy, a little bit of sausage. I like a lot of sausage in my sausage gravy. This is called sausage gravy, not gravy sausage. All right, tell you what, our eggs are done. So let's bring some peppers over here into it. Let's bring some bacon into it. Kind of just mix all that together. Good enough, good enough. Perfect. Slide them out the way. Kind of clean up our griddle just a little bit. Oh, that gravy's starting to look pretty good right there. And y'all check out this scramble we got going on back here. Oh, that's gonna be so good. It is time to build us some burritos. So let's throw down our tortillas. We'll just throw them down right here. Let that residual heat do its job. It's not really looking to cook them. And we will turn these burners back on so we can brown them up. But right now, I just want to kind of make them a little warm, a little pliable. And we're gonna build these burritos and they're gonna be so good. All right, let's flip these tortillas. There we go, that's what I'm looking for. Just kind of warm and pliable. So, get our cutting board out, and we'll take these tortillas up and we're gonna start building our burritos. Let's get those up real quick, like so. We'll set these down. All right, pretty simple. Now, I've been going back and forth whether how I should build these burritos. I think what I'm gonna do is just stuff them, put cheese in them, and then stuff them with that egg mixture with the bacon and peppers and all, and then put the sausage gravy over the burrito. I was thinking about putting sausage gravy in the burrito along with everything, but I think it's gonna look better, and probably, I don't know, maybe I use sausage gravy to dip the burrito in. Can't never tell. But let's get some cheese down. So I'm gonna sprinkle some of this cheese all over it, like so. Get some of our good old egg back here and our bacon and our peppers. Get that all in there. Oh man. And there we go. Let's wrap. Let's see if I can show you how to do this here. If I know how to do it. Take it and you gotta kind of stuff it around there. I'm not a very good burrito roller here. There, that'll work. Good enough. Look, this ain't Moe's Cafe, okay? Let's get that back here on the griddle. Let's make up the other ones. And there we go. So now I'm gonna turn these burners back on and kind of crisp up the outside a little bit. Then we're gonna plate them up and cover them up with that sausage gravy, and we're gonna have us some good breakfast burritos. Let's fire them back up. I'm not the best burrito maker in the world, but I get it done. I say we flip these things and check them. They've been on, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes now, but let's see how they're looking, because I don't want to burn the backside of them any. Oh yeah, that was looking good. Not quite there yet. A little more wouldn't hurt it. All right, let's check these things again. Yeah, see that one there, looking good. Let's move you over here. Oh yeah, you ready to flip now. And so are you. There we go. All right, it's only been a couple more minutes. Let's check these things out. Oh yeah, they're done. Where I want them. So let's take them up. These are looking pretty good right here. I love the color of that right there. Now this one back here, I ain't too proud of, but it'll be okay. It'll be okay. It's not a bad thing. But now we gotta top these off, y'all. Now we gotta put some gravy on this thing. Let's top some gravy over this. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. There you go, just like that there. Get that gravy falling all over it. Yeah, buddy. Use as much as you want, but right now I think that's gonna be enough for me. Oh, that looks so good. So now, there it is. I mean, it's not the most colorful dish in the world. Sure does smell good though. But, you know, that breakfast scramble, everybody was wanting a breakfast scramble. You need a tortilla, you need a burrito, you need to make whatever out of it. So here it is. It's kind of like my breakfast scramble, not quite as many ingredients, but I do believe it's gonna be good with the sausage gravy over it. Let me know real quick, let me know in the comments if you'd have put the sausage gravy in it or over it. Also, this is how I like my sausage gravy. I don't like it runny. I love it thick like this. I want it to stick to my biscuit. That's right, stick to the biscuit. There it is in all its radiant beauty. There ain't but one thing left to do, and that's try it out. I'm gonna cut a piece off this corner right here. Oh yeah. Oh wow. The flavors just keep coming. That sausage gravy, of course, that tastes amazing. I said, if you want to thin it down a little bit, add a little more milk, whatever you want to do, that's fine. But I want it stick to your biscuit kind of gravy. That's the kind of gravy I want. But then you get the eggs and the peppers and the lumberjack and just all that other flavors of the cheese mixed in. This is a Southern style breakfast burrito that I am proud of. Now, here's the thing about this. You can add whatever you want. So please let me know what you would add in here. Maybe some mushrooms, maybe some jalapenos, there's whatever. But I'm gonna tell you right now, you make this right here, you're gonna be very happy, I do believe. If not, we'll blame it on somebody else. Don't blame it on me. But I will say this also. My wife come over here and tasted the gravy a minute ago, and she's already talking about having it over some grits with some cheese. Oh yeah. Hopefully I get some homemade biscuits, not them Watt biscuits. Some good old homemade biscuits on this sausage gravy. Gonna be good. But anyhow, I'm rambling on right now. I gotta go here and finish these up. I ain't gonna tell the kids about them. He's looking at me. He want one, ain't you? Yeah, he's want one. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Whoa. I can't eat it.
They good?
Hard.
Is it good though? Yeah? What's the name? Cooling off? You want the whole plate full?
Well, I do when it cools off.
You want the whole plate when it cools off? Okay. I got his approval.